Leetcode daily challenge. It is a hard problem today. 2, 4, 3, 5 path in matrix whose sum is divisible by k. This is a typical DP problem. The intuitive way to find out all the paths that is divisible by k is we start from 0, 0, then try to go down and right to find out, to go through all the possible paths to see if it is divisible by k. But in that case, the number of paths gonna be 2 by 2 by 2, which gonna be a huge number. We would definitely get a TLE, so that's not a solution. That's why we need a DP here. We're gonna use some matrix which start from 0, 0 to trace all the possible values until the end of this matrix, where we're gonna find the last cell if it is a divisible by k or not. But in this case, instead of a two-dimensional matrix here, we need a three-dimensional matrix, which gonna be one more for k, because during the path, in the middle of the path, there could be a remainder which is not zero, and we have to write down or trace all these numbers instead of zero only. The zero only apply to the last cell, which is the dp m-1 and the n-1, but in the middle of the path it could be any value. We have to trace and record all these numbers, otherwise we couldn't get to the final result for the last cell. That's why we need a three-dimensional matrix for the DP. But anyway, the approach to resolve this problem is we started with this three-dimensional DP and start from the cell 0, 0 and calculate all the possible remainders while updates the DP at the same time. That is this approach.